Hello, this is Dr. Luis from Hermès Pet Hospital. So today we are going to talk about FIP. FIP is feline infectious peritonitis. So the first question is, what is FIP? FIP is a kind of disease that's caused by coronavirus. Most strain of coronavirus does not cause any disease. Most cats with infections of coronavirus will be a stage of non-symptoms for long time, and the immune system will produce the antibody to kill the virus. But some cats will develop into disease that is FIP. So the study shows that only 5 to 10% of cats will develop into FIP. So those cats with the immune system deficiency, the cats have the problem with the immune system respond to the disease, will develop into the disease. So FIP is a kind of disease that we can see in our clinical practice. The study shows that there are around 90% of cats have coronavirus, but only 10% or 5 to 10% of cats will develop into FIP. Is it contagious? FIP or feline infectious peritonitis is a kind of one of the most misunderstood disease in veterinary field. In old days, we think this is a kind of disease that have highly contagious, but the study shows that it is not. So it is not contagious because the FIP cat with the clinical sign only shed a small amount of virus. Second reason is that the contact transmit of disease cat to cat disease is not exist. So cat with clinical sign normally the cat will have clinical sign normally after several days or several weeks or months or even several months or years after exposure to the virus. So only sometimes the owner thinks that the cat have the disease very suddenly. It might be because of the cat, the body cannot resist the disease or unable to master the disease and then become too sick. The owner think it is very suddenly. What is the clinical sign of FIP? So the clinical sign could be different. So some cats will have just a mild upper respiratory clinical signs such as sneezing, watering eyes, and sometimes nose discharge, and sometimes the cat will have eye disease. And some other cat will have non-specific symptoms such as loss of appetite, depressed, and such raw hair coat and weight loss and fever. And some cats will develop to have fluid, so they will have fluid accumulation in the chest and or in the abdomen. The treatment and the diagnosis. The diagnosis of the FIP could be quite complicated. So your vet will depend on the clinical sign history, and also your vet will do some tests such as blood work, and also sometimes will do the CPR of the coronavirus. And ultrasound could be one of my choice to see the organs changes in the body. And the treatment could be very difficult. So once the cat have coronavirus and develop into the FIP, the disease can be very aggressive and always fatal. So at the moment in the world, we do not have any treatment at the moment. So, but there are some study since last year 2017 shows that there's one kind of medicine, we call it GC376. We can use in practice to help to improve the situation of the cat, and we have some cats in my hospital already be treated successfully. So of course we also needed to have other supportive treatment to improve the immune system. How to prevent it? So the calm household, the soap and the disinfectant can kill the virus. So this will disinfecting any surface of the infected surface, such as also including our clothes. And also, if we have many cats in one room, so we need to clean the litter box very regularly. We need to scrub the litter box daily and disinfect the litter box at least once a week. And also we recommend the cat, one cat only use 1 litres, so they do not mix the litter box. So that will also reduce the risk of FIP. And also, if we have pregnant cats, we need to separate the pregnant cat from other cats. And if we already have diagnosed the cat have the FIP, we need to separate the cat from other cats, and also any doctor or any people who enter the room need to disinfect the hand and to prevent or reduce the risk of carrying the virus to the other place. Okay, that's all the information about FIP. I hope it will help you. And if you have any question, you can email me. And my email address is cheng@163.com. So, and if you also you can send me message, or you can call me. My mobile number is 0086 133 5034 0889. So I hope this video will help you, and goodbye.